And so having a look at it side on gives you a good view. Having a look straight on as well can be good, because when Brett's standing there, he's lined up the front of the boat with my stern. So he's got a nice line of sight straight through to the stern, so he can see exactly how many centimetres the boat is slowing down at the catch relative to him. So it's a very useful way of being able to tell how much the boat's slowing at the catch and how well the athlete is doing at getting connected.